Unlock global payments from Saudi Arabia with this simple Payoneer account setup guide. Let's dive right into opening your Payoneer account. The first step is to head over to the Payoneer website. Once there, locate and click on the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. You'll be presented with a sign up form. Begin by selecting I'm a freelancer or small business as your account type if that fits your needs, or choose the individual option. Then, accurately fill in your personal details, your first and last name, email address, and date of birth. Next, enter your contact information. This includes your country, which will be Saudi Arabia, your physical address, city, and postal code. Be sure to provide a valid mobile phone number as it will be used for verification purposes. Now, it's time to set up your account security. Create a strong password. You'll also need to answer a security question, so choose one you can easily remember. This is crucial for protecting your account. Following this, you'll need to verify your mobile number. Payoneer will send a verification code to the number you provided. Enter this code into the designated field on the website to confirm your number. The next critical step is to provide your bank account details. You'll need to enter your bank name, your account number, and your IBAN. This allows Payoneer to transfer your earnings to your local Saudi Arabian bank account. To complete your application and ensure a smooth experience, Payoneer requires specific documentation. Typically, you'll need to upload a clear copy of your national identification, like your Saudi national ID or Iqama, and potentially a proof of address document, such as a recent utility bill. Once you've submitted all the required information and documents, your application will be under review. Payoneer will aim to process your application as quickly as possible. You'll receive a confirmation email once your account is approved. Congratulations! You've successfully opened your Payoneer account in Saudi Arabia. You can now start receiving payments from clients and businesses worldwide and manage your funds with ease.